This is a really nice 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible. And here is the immaculate engine compartment, 400 cubic inch engine. And there's a book which we'll be going back to a little bit later with the pictures that were taken during its restoration. A beautiful, very light yellow color. Red line tires. And of course there's the hood scoop and the tack. That's an original side view mirror, I would say. The whole car appears to be very accurate. White top, and we've got the Maroni sticker to look at. The glass back window. And you can see all the extras that were on this car. Very nicely shown here. As you can see, this is really a fully loaded Firebird with the power windows particularly. And let's take a look at the sticker. You can see it started at a relatively moderate price, but you start adding all the extras here, and you can see what the final price is in a minute. And there you can see it was just over $5,000, $5,062. And I didn't realize this, the back seat does fold down. So that's handy for carrying things around, particularly because the trunk isn't all that big. There's the automatic transmission and console. Beautiful white interior. There are a lot of people around this car. It's a very popular attraction here. So we wend our way around the front again. Car has air conditioning, which is very important here. Here's just a quick view of some of the pictures taken during the restoration. And now the passenger side. Of course, there are updated wheels. Very nice Firebird. And we have, of course, the side marker lights that were mandatory in '68, first year for that. And here we are again with the listing of equipment and where the restoration was done. And those unique tail lights, very cool. Gas cap is beyond that. Very nice.